Hello, good morning students. Today's transcription number 89 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The honorable members who have spoken before said that the small growers get the correct price from the board. This is not so. The entire bulk of the profits they make in the home market and in the foreign market is kept by the bigger growers who dominate this coffee board. The price they get is more than what they pay to the small growers. That is the complaint of the small growers. So, it is not correct to say that the profits this board makes are equally distributed to the small growers. Hence, the conflict between the big growers and the small growers is increasing. Therefore, it is necessary on the part of the government to do justice to the small growers. The government thinks that by taking powers for nominating the president of the board, it is able to do justice to the small growers. The number of the small growers is 34,000, while the number of the big growers is 590. Most of the seats reserved for the growers in the last board were monopolized by the big growers. The majority of the seats were held by big growers, and the number of seats the small growers got was very meager. It was not more than 4, if my recollection is correct. What the government should have done was to give equal representation to the small growers. They should have asked the growers to return their representatives or to give a panel of names from which government could have chosen some. The choice of the representatives should have been left to the respective organizations. If there was no organization for the small growers, government should have asked them to organize one separately and then send in their representatives. Our friends said that the representatives of the small growers were there on the existing board. It is true, but I know the practice of these big growers or big industrialists. Having given membership to the smaller fry on their organizations, they don't allow them to express themselves. The chairman or the man who holds sway of the board sees to it that all the members agree to what he dictates. That is the practice in these associations. We know that. So, it is better to have a separate organization for the small growers and ask them to submit their panel of names to represent them on the board. Representation on the board should not be governed by the number of acres owned and the amount of capital invested, but by the number of growers. If this principle is adopted, the bigger growers will not be able to run away with what they want. In this connection, I would also say that instead of nominating the president, the government should do this. The government should ask the respective organizations of the big growers, the small growers, labor, and the consumers to send in the names of their representatives and then include members of parliament